everyone. In today's session, we will study about the artificial intelligence. Here I am covering artificial intelligence as per AKTU syllabus. The code for the subject is KCS071. Now, I am Sonia Verma, Assistant Professor from ABES Engineering College. Let's look what we will cover in today's lecture. We will cover introduction, definition to artificial intelligence, foundation and history of artificial intelligence, intelligent agents, characteristic of intelligent agent, structure of intelligent agent, and problem-solving approach to typical AI problems. So let's come to the first slide, that is introduction of artificial intelligence. As we see here that there is a difference, a lot of difference between the intelligence and the artificial intelligence. If we talk about the intelligence, it is a natural process. How can you say it's a natural process? Because if we talk about the human are having emotions, feelings, all these things. We can see they can feel by their intelligence, can work upon their emotions. But if we talk about the artificial intelligence, it is a program by human. Whatever instruction human give to that machine or robot, that is programmed. So only according to that instruction, the robot or machine will work. So come to the next, that it is actually hereditary. As I told you that we have emotions, feelings, and all these. So and if we talk about artificial intelligence, it's not a hereditary. So we can say knowledge is required for that intelligence. If we have a two person, someone is having a machine learning knowledge and someone is having blockchain knowledge. So the knowledge for their intelligence, the person having a machine learning knowledge, he can answer about the machine learning, and the second person having a blockchain, then he can answer about the blockchain. But here in the artificial intelligence, knowledge plus electricity, both the things are required to generate the output. As we all know, the computation, if we talk about the computation process, here human is a bit slower than the artificial intelligence. No human is an expert. We may get better solution from other humans. But if we talk about the artificial intelligence, expert systems are made which aggregate many persons' experience and idea. So this is all about the intelligence and the artificial intelligence. Now let's move to the definition of artificial intelligence. The study of how to make computers doing things at the moment people are better. So we can say that artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer to act like a human being. But we can't say that artificial intelligence can replace a human. No, it's quite wrong. So now we can say as a human thinking, the system can also think. The system that act like human but not a human. System that think rationally, system that can act rationally. Here are 4 definitions given by the innovators of artificial intelligence. First one is given in 1985, and the Hugh Glenn said that the exciting new effort to make computers think means machine with mind in the full and literary sense. But to continue to this definition, the Bellman proposed a new definition, that the automation of activities that we associated with human thinking, activities such as decision making, problem solving, and learning. Now, again, the Kurzweil said that the art of creating machines that perform functions that are required intelligence when performed by people. So, and then after that, the Rich Knight in 1991, he said that the study of how to make computers do things at which at the moment people are better. Now, these all are the definitions we are talking about the artificial intelligence, and these all definitions are divided into 4 categories. The first one we say that that is based on the Hugland and Ballman theory. Then the second one is Kurzweil and Rich-Knight theory. Then third one is we talk that the study of mental state and the faculties through the use of computation model. As you know that the human perform a bit slower computation, but the artificial intelligence machines or robots can perform the more computation models. So we can say that a field of study that seek to explain and emulate intelligent behavior in terms of computation process. That's all about the artificial intelligence. By the definition, we get that the system or a machine or a robot can think like a human, can act like a human, and that think rationally. Now come to the next point, that is acting. We are saying that machine can acting human. The Turing test approach. For this, the inventors proposed the Turing test approach, and that is done by Alan Turing in the 1950s. Here we are seeing that computer A, human responder, computer B, and interrogator player C. So what here interrogator player C. If we talk about C doesn't know who is answering me, either a human or a computer. Only by the question and by their response he comes to know that this is a response for the human or from the computer. Let's talk about if I type in Chat GPT or that what is artificial intelligence, then it will give a definition. But if it asks the same question with the human, that there is bit of changing in the words, but the appropriate definition would be given by only the Chat GPT, because answers are given from the declarative language that we already that we inbuilt in the AI. So we can say the Turing test proposed by Alan Turing 1950 was designed to provide a satisfactory optional definition of intelligence. A computer passes the test if a human interrogator, after posing some written question, can't tell whether the written response comes from a person or from a computer. If question is like that, human can easily answer that question, or that question don't need a very much big explanation, then obviously interrogator will not know about that answer with whom this answer is coming, either with a player A or a player B. So this is all about the Turing test. Now let's move to the next slide. Here is the future of artificial intelligence. Transportation. If we talk about the transportation, in transportation we can say that the self-driving car are there, and so due to self-driving car we don't need a driver, that is only operated by the artificial intelligence. If we talk about the manufacturing, as we heard about the industry 4.0, industry 4.0, what is industry 4.0? Industry 4.0 are nothing there. We have a robotic machines that doing the work by the robots. Healthcare, as we talk about the pandemic in COVID, the artificial intelligence plays a very important role in the healthcare, because COVID-19 is a such kind of pandemic that where we cannot touch the patient. We can always maintain a distance. Doctor also maintain a distance. So due to the artificial intelligence, we perform various processing and get the outcome. Education, we can see this example due to the artificial intelligence. ChatGPT give you a lot of answer of your questions, and for the students, it's become very much easy that they put their question to the ChatGPT and they will get the answer. In media, obviously, the drone and all these things plays a very important role in the media. Customer service, if we talk about that you are doing for eating a pizza in the pizza shop, then we are ordering, and so instead of person, some robot are coming by taking your meal. So this is all about the future of artificial intelligence. Characteristic of intelligent agent, that is situatedness, autonomy, sociability, and adaptivity. These all are the characteristic of intelligent agent. Now, this is all done in the today's lecture. In tomorrow's lecture, we will study about the intelligent agent. That what is intelligent agent? So, at last, you can say that we know what is artificial intelligence and what will be the future of artificial intelligence. And in tomorrow lecture, let's come with the intelligent agent. That what is intelligent agent? So this now these are the references you can see. Then the all content images graphics used in the video belong to their respective owner, and we or this channel does not claim any right over them. So thank you all for the listening patiently. Thank you all.